Olive oil on the crust.
I can hear it from here, Vito.
Top class! Hello guys, so today we are about to wait. Julia should be here in a few moments and we're getting ready for a big event. Today we are going to show you something really nice with Julia Molinari. Well, let me present it to you when she gets here. She should be here in a moment. Learning pasta, come. Hey Julia, buongiorno!
I made it!
What's
Hello!
up? What's up?
How's it going? All right.
I was about to say, we have Julia in the house. Tell me who you are.
So I'm Julia and I make pizza in New Jersey.
That's it? #1 pizza girl influencer in the United States of America. Probably you guys saw some videos here and there on Instagram here and there.
But now it's the real deal.
Shoot a comment below if you know her.
Yeah.
So welcome to Soft and Crunchy. Julia,
Yeah,
you came all the way from New York
I did.
to Italy,
Yeah.
Bari, my house. We're gonna make some pizza.
Yeah, let's make a pizza. What are we gonna make? Oh,
I want you today to show how to make the Julia Molinari pizza.
putting me on the spot here. All
We're
right,
gonna
let's
get
do
ready
it.
and then I'm gonna bring you in a special spot.
Should I be nervous?
You're gonna make the pizza in a real way. Stay tuned and watch until the end. Let's get ready with
Let's
the recipe.
go.
Let's go. Okay, Julia, it's your time. You're gonna work. I get you in my house. Get you soft and crunchy apron.
Yeah. Let's make my pizza.
Your
my
dough.
recipe. Well, not technically my recipe.
No?
Mama and Papa Molinari's recipe. Yeah.
So what? Anyway, tell me your recipe. I know it is really simple.
All
We got 1 liter of water, 30 grams of yeast.
30 grams of
We are
yeast.
using fresh yeast. We are in
Yes.
Italy. Then 1 kilo and 660 grams of flour, 50 grams of salt.
Yes.
Tell me something. We're gonna
Yeah.
make this dough by hands or with the mixer?
Let's do it with if you have a mixer, let's do it with a mixer, right?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
So, show me how you do it. Today I'm gonna watch you. You have a YouTube channel.
I do. Yeah, I do.
Tell her, start to make long format.
I
So
know.
that's why this video is in collaboration with you.
Yeah, I gotta just do it. It's been a long time, and
Do it.
I just gotta get it done. We start out with the water and the yeast, and then just break it up in the water. Am I doing this correctly?
Mama is there. Mama is there.
And then we just want to make sure that the yeast just kind of melts in
Melt
with
it.
the
Okay,
water.
so
Yeah.
that's how you turn it on. See,
Right.
timer.
Let that melt a little bit, and then we're gonna add in our flour.
Go by your
Just
hands.
going in with my hands.
Do it.
Yeah.
Do it. Get dirty.
You can't be afraid to get a little dirty when you're making pizza.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
Speed #1, and then boom. Okay, so Julia, you tell
Yeah.
me that right now it's time to add the salt, right?
Yeah, let's
when
add
it
the
looks
salt.
like that. Okay,
Yeah.
do it.
Wait for it to, form the dough and make it look
I guess together. So same speed. Speed #1.
Subscribe!
Come on.
Come on!
It's free.
12 grams of olive oil.
So now we just integrate the oil.
Then we
Wow.
integrate the oil, take it out, and then we'll form the dough balls.
This is the dough by Julia Molinari.
Molinari's dough.
Available in Molinari restaurant.
In Neptune City, New Jersey.
Aha.
Next, we're gonna take out our dough and we're gonna.
Take it out. Give me your hands. Nel nome del Padre, del Figlio e dello Spirito Santo. Voila. Texture right there. The mixer is clean there. That's how it's gonna look like. See? Take it out. Look at
Take
it.
it
Nice. That means that the gluten structure was built properly.
Good.
So we put a little bit of olive oil on top or no? Yeah?
No, I think
That's
just like that.
I'm gonna do my way.
Do your way, and then I'll
Show
see
these
this
guys
thing.
how do you do your way. Do you know how to make the balls?
Yeah, and then you chop it.
I taught you in New York.
You did. Yeah.
That's about 9 ounces. It's about 9 ounces.
You can just tell by feeling it.
Yeah.
I'm not at that level yet.
Right, show me. I'm curious to see it. Today is like a real masterclass, Juliana Molinari masterclass. Over the top. Show this guy right there. Hold on. Show there how you make the ball. So make another one. You're gonna get it good. Let me measure scale. How about the same side?
Take it. It's kind of like how you do mozzarella.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna see today how they make the mozzarella.
Like that. Then you kind of take your 2 fingers and you kind of cut it with
Chop it.
your fingers. Yeah, you chop it.
Today you're gonna make mozzarella.
Oh, I am?
Yeah, if you wanna
Okay.
see that,
That's happening, I guess.
follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, follow us on Instagram if you want to see that. All right, measure.
Measure, scale, perfect. Vai. So let's finish up these balls.
Yeah.
Okay, Julia.
Yeah.
The dough balls are ready. We grab a container, and now we place.
And then we let them sleep.
Sleep. Hold on.
Yeah.
Fix how you want it. Boom, voila. We close it, and then this is the tricky part. So pay attention.
We let it sleep.
here at room temperature.
2 hours at room temperature, and then we put it in the fridge.
And tomorrow morning, we're gonna use it.
Should be good. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll see you later. Here we go, Julia. This is where we are going to make the pizza. Voila.
In there.
Yeah,
On wheels.
on wheels.
Okay.
This is typical from Puglia. Like you can see, this is a wood burning oven. We're gonna make a pizza in the real way. But you know how to light it up?
I don't think so.
Because before making the pizza, we have everything ready. You know, we have the dough, we have some ingredients we're gonna get here in the farm.
Yeah.
But first of all, we need to fire up the oven and make it like a real temperature. Fire
So
up.
like we need the wood.
You see that you put the wood on this side only.
Yeah.
So when you fire up an oven, first roll. So when you wanna light up the pizza oven, you have to put some piece of wood right in the center, the big pizza on the center. But also you need some small pieces. Okay, Julia, like you can see now, we put some chips.
Once the fire starts, does it stay there, or do you like push it to a different spot?
So that's a good question. So what we're gonna do here is just gonna light up the oven, make it really hot. When it's all white, then we use some kind of light. How do you say this in English? The white
A lighter?
lighter, yeah. See? Here we go. Yeah, like that. And then bigger chunk to warm up here. Then when they warm it up, we put it on top like that. It's gonna stay on the floor, and then it's gonna warm up all the bottom of the oven. This way we can cook the bottom of the pizza. So this is gonna take probably an hour or so.
Okay.
Let's go to back to the pizza place.
Let's go.
And let's get all the ingredients.
Yes. Let's
We
do
can
that.
make this pizza.
What are we
the
looking
main
at?
ingredients of today, before we get everything, we're
Chickens?
gonna get, yes, the farm. The main ingredients is the,
The egg. What do you think came first, the chicken or the egg?
that's a good question. Where it came from? I don't know. They're all ready there. Stay there. Come with me. Come in, Julia.
Oh, we're going.
We're going. We're gonna get the eggs. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna hunting the eggs. You know what I mean? See, one is right there. No.
No eggs in there. Can we look in here? I see an egg.
You see an egg?
Can I grab it?
Yeah, maybe let's go from the other side. We
Okay.
can see it. Let's see. Let's open up. Here we go.
Oh, there's two.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Let me see. Oh, okay. That's what we need. Let's just grab 2 eggs. Because on a pizza, we just need 2 eggs. So we're gonna wash it really well, and then let's search after when the oven is in temperature. Let's search if we have more eggs.
Right.
So let's go in the pizza place. Oh, welcome. The
Thank
oven
you.
is
Good to
warming
be
up
back.
right now. Since yesterday,
Yeah.
should be fine. Let's check it out. Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks a little bit bigger. That's good.
Let's go back there. We got the dough, the main ingredient, the gold ingredient. Okay, Julia, get the basil. I'm
Yeah.
gonna show the dough is ready. I'm gonna show you guys
How it came out.
how it come out. Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be pretty good.
Yeah.
So
The oven should be ready too. Guys, we're not cooking chickens. Wow. How is that? Hot?
That's hot.
So check out the dough. Ready?
Open.
3, 2, 1. Surprise. Boom. How is that? Is Julia Molinari approved?
That feels perfect.
Is that soft and crunchy?
It's soft. It's not crunchy yet, but it'll be
Mama.
crunchy soon.
Come here, come here. You approve this?
Give it a
Do you
feel.
approve this? I believe it's super good.
I approve.
Okay, first of all, we got all the ingredients. When I
Right.
put my jacket on, we're gonna set it up in the oven. Look at the chickens.
They're hungry. They want to eat.
They're hungry. So this is how we set up the oven, because we cannot cook the pizza with the oven in the center. We're keeping the flame in the center to warm up the center of the oven, where we are actually going to cook the pizza on it.
So where are we gonna fit the pizza? Because it
So look
looks
at this.
kind of cramped, like with all the ash.
That's easy. So you have to move, of course, like you said before, we have to move the wood on the side, but this is how you do it properly. Okay, so what I'm doing here right now, I'm moving all the big pieces. They're not burned yet.
Right.
So what I'm doing right now, I'm putting the wood, set up, see the flame. And now all this ash here on the left side. Clean oven the bottom. So we're gonna try to remove all the ash with the peel, just like that. You bang like that. Then we grab a towel, of course, not wet, see?
Oh.
It's humid.
Huh.
You're gonna have a little bit of water. Clean right here, 1 second. Then we place this here. Then, see, we go ahead.
Oh,
we just
smart.
clean the side. This way, humid towel will catch all the ash on the floor. Otherwise, we're gonna have ash under the pizza. We don't want that.
That looks hot, Vito.
That's hot. Voila. Ooh, the oven is ready. I don't want to make pizza here like usual. I want to impress you. I want to impress them. So come with me. Actually, we're gonna make the main ingredient. This pizza have bacon, guys, because we are going to make breakfast pizza.
So we need
Julia,
eggs.
the classic American breakfast.
Yeah, it's the classic American breakfast, eggs and bacon.
So let's do this. So we're gonna go ahead and just we wanna cook the bacon basically in the wood burning oven. So now what we do, bacon. We just cook it in the right here in the wood burning oven. Oh, actually, I wanna ask you something.
Yeah.
Your pizza, what's the temperature that cooks?
650, 700.
6. Okay,
Like
so we need to
650.
let it cool down. So what do you
Yeah, a
do?
little bit.
Don't put wood anymore.
No.
Let it go. Let it stay. Smells good, huh? You don't want to have the bacon all the way cooked. We're gonna give more flavor of bacon inside the
Yeah, we want it to
pizza.
render a little bit. It smells really good. I think it's good.
Yeah.
Finish it on the pizza, it'll be perfect.
Perfect. We got the ingredients. Boom, boom, boom. Ready? Let's go. Actually, get the flour.
Okay, I'll grab
rice
this.
flour to stretch.
Rice flour.
Come with me, guys. Voila. You like this location?
Well, we're in a chicken coop. Oh my God, are we putting chickens on the pizza?
No. I think right here. Boom. Voila. Let's do the whole setup and then I'll show you guys. Okay, Julia, it's time. So what we're gonna do here, we have Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
Well, that's actually pecorino cheese.
Okay.
Fresh mozzarella. We got the bacon.
Bacon.
Then we got pepper and salt. So you wanna grab the eggs?
Where am I grabbing the eggs?
Here, lift it up. That's how we got the eggs.
Oh, that's a fresh one.
The eggs. So, sure. Don't get
Oh,
mad. There we go.
whoa.
Look at
Oh
this.
my gosh.
Look how many eggs we got there. So here we go. Let's get the one white and one red.
Yeah, a little bit of
Oh,
both. We'll
let's
mix it up.
feel how hot they are.
I don't know if I like
Just come
that.
on. So we got fresh eggs, brown chicken, white chicken.
That makes sense.
So save
Yeah.
those because we need those. Voila. Okay, now that we have the eggs,
Right.
put some flour there. It's your dough. I want you to stretch.
Okay, I'll stretch
So
it.
let's see a different technique. Okay, there's enough. Voila. Take a look at the fermentation. Insane.
Yeah, it looks really good actually. Looks really,
saw
really
it.
good.
God. That's how you stretch, guys.
Mm-hmm.
That's your dough.
Yeah, this feels a little bit more like what I'm used to working with.
Ah, that's Molinari's stretch
Molinari
technique.
stretch.
Guys, make sure you make this recipe, remake this recipe at home.
Yeah, try it out. Tell me if you like it.
Can I
Good.
go with condiments?
Go ahead.
So I like to put a little bit. Oh,
Oh!
you wanted to eat.
He wants to eat. They're
Oh,
hungry. We
shut
gotta
up.
make them a pizza.
Okay, so we got mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. What you do, you put a little bit of parsley,
Parsley.
chop it. Now what you do, we put the bacon on top. I'm gonna put the bacon everywhere. Done, Julia.
Yeah.
So grab it and let's go to the oven.
To go in the oven.
It's too easy for you.
It's too easy.
Okay, so now let's grab the eggs
Uh-huh.
and let's go cook this pizza.
Oh my God, he's gonna bake it.
Oh, no, not the bacon. We need the bacon. No, bring it back. We need the bacon. yeah, get the cheese and we need to get
my
all the
gosh.
ingredients because it's
Mamma
gone.
mia.
Okay, grab those two and let's go. See, hold it.
Yeah,
That's what you do. The eggs, main ingredients.
we have to do that.
Ready? So you break the egg
Right.
and then you want to have the whole egg right there. You want to have this.
Yeah.
Second one, boom. We put a pinch of salt in the eggs, pinch of pepper. We're gonna put the oil on top of the egg. We wanna have some kind of a fried egg.
Okay.
Done. So look
That's
at
actually
this.
how I make my eggs. In the morning, I do a little
Yeah.
pepper, a little Parmesan.
You don't wanna cook this all the way in. The more is outside, the better.
Okay.
And put it right here, look. Boom, shot. That's it. So you cook it right there in the front. Did you see this? Now it's getting brown this side. So gently, you wanna go ahead and move it. See, the bottom part is not cooked, so what you wanna do, I change spot a little bit, just a few seconds. Bottom is good. You wanna hold the pizza on the peel once it's cooked on the bottom. You just kinda wanna just move it a little bit, kinda like that.
And why are you moving it like that?
This way it cooks the white part.
I see. Ready!
Bring it on! Bring it on!
Bring it on!
Guys, a little bit of olive oil on the crust.
I can hear it from here, Vito.
Top class! Give some space right there. And Julia, boom, voila.
Smells really good.
That's the pizza.
Yeah.
Now, grab the parsley, chop a little bit on
Right.
top. Look the bottom, look. Insane.
great.
When you bring this to the table, you wanna chop, look at this. You got that, boom. We cut it, look the egg. Top class.
That is a perfectly runny yolk.
Okay, if you
Nice
say
and
that
smooth.
so because you're American,
Uh-huh.
this is a compliment for me. So thank you so much, Julia.
You're welcome.
Voila.
Our runny
That's the carbonara pizza by Julia Molinari.
And Vito.
Yeah. Voila.
Now, with this pizza, there's kind of two ways that you can cook it. You can cook it a little faster, kind of like a
scramble?
traditional- Yeah.
Scrambled eggs. Look at the
Breakfast.
crust. Oh, shit, it's good. Top
Nice and
class.
spongy, right?
Here.
Thank you.
Oh my God, get that
pretty
eggs
good.
there.
Yeah.
Can't wait, chin
Ooh,
chin.
chin-
Yes.
Mm.
Wow.
That's an amazing pizza.
Bunny, you wanna taste? The farmer guy, my cousin.
Oh no. Ah.
Bunny, you wanna taste the pizza carbonara?
Oh,
Let's see what it tastes.
one back.
Back.
One.
You think the chicken they're gonna like it?
Oh,
Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah,
Come
we
here.
can
I'm
see
gonna
what
give you
she-
the little crust. Whoa, 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 whoa! I got it!
Oh!
You got it!
Oh!
Come on. Okay, Julia.
Yeah.
This was amazing. Don't be scared.
Right.
This was amazing, guys. If you're in New York State,
Come stop on in to Molinari's restaurant.
if you're in Italy, come to Soft and Crunchy. This pizza was approved.
Approved.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you in the next one. Every week, new video. Tell me what you think on the comments and subscribe to her channel too.
Yeah.